Welcome back, viewers. All eyes are on the Parliament. SIR protest storm is already continuing. It's already begun outside the Parliament. Swati is bringing us all the live updates. Swati, over to you.
Well, Meenakshi, thank you so much. Good morning, viewers. I'm Swati Joshi. I'm joining you live from Vijay Chowk. Proceedings in both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha have begun. Remember, the discussion on Operation Sindoor is underway. Yesterday, Home Minister Amit Shah spoke in detail about Operation Mahadev as well, in which the 3 terrorists who carried out the Pahalgam terror attack have been eliminated. Not just that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also gave a point-by-point rebuttal to the questions that were raised by the opposition, especially about a third-party intervention, international pressure, whether or not Donald Trump played a role. Was he instrumental in the ceasefire between India and Pakistan? The Prime Minister on record inside the Parliament made it absolutely clear that no leader forced us. In fact, when J.D. Vance called the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in that conversation as well, the Prime Minister asserted that if Pakistan resorts to misadventure, India is not going to practice restraint and that India is going to hit hard. But that hasn't satisfied the opposition. The opposition still keeps on saying that the Prime Minister never named Donald Trump. Now, the focus for the opposition has shifted from Operation Sindoor to SIR because the opposition has started protesting on the issue of SIR. We have some reactions coming in from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Imran Masood, who are alleging that this government does not want to act and that SIR is an attack on democracy. Let's listen into the reactions.
Frankly, the government doesn't take action on anything except their publicity, their PR, and when elections are coming, what face they want to show to the public. They do not take action on anything concrete. So I don't expect action, but it is our job to push them and pressurize them as much as we can.
हम तो उठा रहे हैं क्योंकि एसआईआर एक ऐसा मुद्दा है कि जो देश के अंदर गरीबों को खास तौर से बर्बाद करने के, क्योंकि बाबा साहब भीमराव अम्बेडकर ने सपना देखा था कि सबको समान अधिकार हो, तो ये सबके समान अधिकार के ऊपर कुठाराघात है, इसलिए हम उस लोग इसके लिए लड़ रहे हैं।
लेकिन बीजेपी कह रही है कि हम चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है सभी मुद्दों पर, लेकिन पहले पहलगाम पर तो चर्चा हो, और आप लोगों पर ये इल्जाम लगा रहे कि आप सदन चलने नहीं देना चाहते।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? पहलगाम पे चर्चा आपने कर तो दी, कल प्रधानमंत्री जी का भाषण देख तो लिया, क्या था प्रधानमंत्री जी ने क्या बोला। अगर इंदिरा जी, नेहरू जी और राजीव जी, राहुल जी, सोनिया जी, प्रियंका जी ना हो तो उनके तो भाषण ही देने का आधार नहीं, उनके पास कुछ है ही नहीं।
Yeah, absolutely. We have been constantly, right from this session began, we have been asking, demanding the SIR also like Sindoor to be discussed. But unfortunately, the government has not decided to take up the matter. But all the parties, including our allies, have been strongly demanding for this, and we will raise our demands again and again.
In fact, I'm being told that we are joined by K. Varun Kumar of the TDP and Sanjeev Kaushik, political analyst. Let me go across to K. Varun Kumar. K. Varun Kumar, the opposition has already shifted goalpost. The opposition now wants a discussion on SIR. Protests have begun at Makardwar, with the opposition holding placards and posters saying SIR is an attack on Loktantra, on democracy.
I think then the Pahalgam issue is out, and they should accept their defeat. Can you talk about the yesterday's rhetoric in the parliament by Rahul Gandhi ji? Can I do that? Hello? Am I audible, Swati ji?
Go ahead, Varun Kumar.
Yes. See, Congress and its allies have to understand that they can be anti-government but not anti-national. Well, the PM has categorically refused or accepted, has stated clearly that Donald Trump's interference with respect to ceasefire isn't there, and even Donald Trump made suit, and still the Congress was doing whataboutery about the whole issue. Whataboutery is the most nastiest thing in politics. I have not seen a single fighter jet move across the border of Pakistan when 26/11 happened, after 26/11 happened. The Congress speech did not target the Prime Minister or the government. It had targeted our ability to strike back. It has targeted our intention to kill terrorism on the very home soil that